Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 58 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This is the daily devotional called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young. If you have missed any of the previous episodes to this, I do have a playlist in the description box. You can catch up on any of these. And if you're wondering why I'm doing a daily devotional and not my DIYs, then there are also some videos in the description box that will get you kind of caught back up to date with what's going on with me. All right, guys, let's jump in. Okay, number 58. You know what? I'm sitting here thinking, like, I was waiting on the my ring light to come in so that I could obviously start doing the daily devotionals again inside the cabin. But it was so beautiful outside, doing them outside, and I really enjoyed that. So I think I'm going to stop here, go set up outside, and we're going to read this devotional outside because I just think it's beautiful. And why shouldn't we enjoy what the Lord has blessed us with today? So I'll see you in just a second. Okay, we're back. So beautiful outside today. It's actually supposed to be some really bad storms tonight, like bad storms like they were calling for the night that the tornado came. So a little nervous about that, but it's going to be fine. But it is beautiful right now. It's so strange that it's going to storm so bad later. Anyways, I wanted to mention that if you hear like a buzzing sound, it may be some boats coming across the lake, because if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you know I live literally right on the lake. If not, then I'm telling you now, I live right on the lake. So you may hear a boat go by, but I just think it's absolutely gorgeous out here. So I figured this was, I don't know, sunshine does the heart good, right? Or the body, I don't know, vitamin D, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, I just thought it was better. Okay, number 58. Let me give you all the verses for today. I like for y'all to have those just in case. All right. And if I'm squinting, I mentioned this yesterday, but my Botox has completely left me, girls. It's gone. Wow. Yeah, the wind is pretty bad. I didn't think about that actually when I decided we would come out here. But anyways, we're gonna push through. We're doing this outside today. Anyways, as I was saying though, the sun's kind of bright, and so I am kind of squinting. I apologize if I have like a frowny look on my face, but it's not really a frown. I just don't have any Botox left. Anyways, all right. Number 58. Keep your eyes on me. Waves of adversity are washing over you, and you feel tempted to give up. Boy, have we all been there. As your circumstances consume more and more of your attention, you are losing sight of me. Yet I am with you always, holding you by your right hand. I am fully aware of your situation, and I will not allow you to be tempted beyond what you are able to bear. Your gravest danger is worrying about tomorrow. If you try to carry tomorrow's burdens today, you will stagger under the load and eventually fall flat. You must discipline yourself to live within the boundaries of today. It is in the present moment that I walk close to you, helping you carry your burdens. Keep your focus on my presence in the present. Your gravest danger is worrying about tomorrow. If you try to carry tomorrow's burdens today, you will stagger under the load and fall flat. You must discipline yourself to live within the boundaries of today. We talked a little bit about this yesterday as far as, worrying about tomorrow and just worry in general, and it being, it's a form of rebellion. It's not trusting God. When you're worrying, you're obviously not trusting God. But learning to live within the boundaries of today. Think about that for a minute. Only worry about today, what God has in store for you today, what God wants you to learn today, what blessings the Lord has bestowed upon you today, not tomorrow, not yesterday's, today. You know, if there's anything that I have learned through the loss of my son, I mean, to me, I don't feel like it's been long enough that I have really learned anything. But one thing I know for sure is that tomorrow is not promised. There ain't no sense in worrying about tomorrow. You might not even be here tomorrow. So why worry about it? Wouldn't your life be much more pleasant if you just gave it to God and worried about today? I know that's a lot easier said than done, but what a wonderful place to be in your life when you can literally be in the present moment. Do you know how bad I wish now that I had been in the present moment every second that I was with my son? But we can't go back. There's no redo. So you better worry about today. It's really all that's promised. Think about what the Lord has in store for you. The riches in heaven. Seeing our loved ones in heaven. That's the end game. That's what we're striving towards, aren't we? Isn't that the point of all of this? Yeah. All right. Let's do the verses. Yet I am always with you. You hold me by my right hand. Psalms 73:23. No temptation has seized you except what is common to man. And God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, he will also provide a way out so that you can stand up underneath it. Let me read that one more time. That's so good. No temptation has seized you except what is common to man. And God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, he will also provide a way out. Ain't that something? 1 Corinthians 10:13. It's good. But encourage one another daily, as long as it is called today, so that none of you may be hardened by sin's deceitfulness. But encourage one another daily. We don't always do that. We don't always encourage others. Sometimes we're so bogged down by sin and life itself that we don't have it in us to encourage others. But if you give your life to God and you trust your life with God and you literally give him your life and say, Lord, I pray that your will would be done, and you trust that and you truly trust that, you will know God's love and you will know God's promise to always be with you. And just telling that is encouragement to others. Talk about what you've been through in your life. Talk about how God has helped you, how God has provided a way out. Tell your friends about those things. Don't be embarrassed. Life is life. Everybody goes through life. I promise. But when you talk about those things and you tell how God has been with you and how God's never left your side, that is encouraging to others. You may not know it, but it is. All right. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Truly, thank you. And y'all have a blessed day.